Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's class we learn B1 level vocabulary, and now after every 2 days or 3 days you will get B1 level vocabulary like this. I have written few words especially with the alphabet A. So alphabetically we learn B1 level vocabulary. This is not only important for B1 level but also for advanced learner B2 and further. So these words are very prominent. You will find very often in B1 level exam preparation book or in the examination paper. So let's begin with these words. First is das Abenteuer. Abenteuer means adventure. I have written one example only with this word, rest I will explain verbally. Das Abenteuer, adventure. Mein Urlaub war ein Abenteuer. Mein Urlaub war ein Abenteuer. My holiday was an adventure. It was a great adventure. Ein tolles Abenteuer. Okay, das Abenteuer, ein tolles Abenteuer. Then we have abfahren. Abfahren is a verb and abfahrt is a noun. Okay, so this is die Abfahrt and this is our verb. I write V for verb. Abfahren, like departure. Like mein Zug ist pünktlich abgefahren. My train, okay, has departed punctually on time. Abfahren, departure. You will find this word especially in the listening skills. Hören. This verb is very important. Or Abfahrt, departure. Okay, die Abfahrt ist 10 Uhr. The departure is at 10 o'clock. So this is the noun and Abfahren is verb. Then we have Abgase. Abgase, die Abgase. It means Abgase means polluted air. Abgase, die Abgase. Then abgeben. This is separable verb. Separable verb abgeben, like abfahren, separable. Abheben, this is also verb. V for verb. Abgeben means to hand over. Like ich gebe meine Dokumente am Freitag ab. Ich gebe meine Hausaufgabe am Montag ab. Means I hand over my homework. I hand over my document on this particular day. So abgeben means to hand over. Okay, to hand over, abgeben. Very important word. These are all very important words. And I would request you to join our Telegram channel. Link is below in the description. For further help, such kind of assignments and worksheet I will upload on the Telegram channel. You have seen that in the live class every day at 9 p.m. Indian time. We learn German live on a different topics every day, and I also upload some assignments, some worksheets, some pictures, learning material on the Telegram channel. So below is the link, you can also follow us. Abheben. Abheben means to withdraw. Withdraw money. Like ich habe von meinem Konto 100 Euro abgehoben. Abgehoben is the perfect verb. Perfect tense. Abgehoben means to withdraw. I have withdrawn 100 Euro from my account. Konto. Konto means account. Ich habe 100 Euro von meinem Konto abgehoben. I have withdrawn. Okay, abheben, abgeheben. Then we have next abholen. Here, abholen means to pick up. You have seen this verb, separable verb, very common. Abholen means to pick up, to pick. Ich hole meine Kinder von der Schule ab. I'm going to pick up my kids from the school. Abholen, separable verb, abholen. Die Mutter holt die Kinder ab. Die Oma holt die Kinder ab, abholen. Ich hole meine Gäste ab. To pick up someone from the school, from the university, from the airport, from the railway station. You pick up somebody, okay? Abholen. This is very good verb, abholen. Next is ähnlich. It's an adjective. Ähnlich means similar. Similar, identical, okay? Ich habe ähnliche Problem. I have the similar problem. Ich und mein Bruder sind ähnlich. I and my brother are identical, same, because we are twins, so we are identical. That is also ähnlich, similar. Ahnung, it's a noun, die Ahnung. Ahnung means idea. Ich habe keine Ahnung. Tut mir leid. I have no idea. Okay? Ich habe keine Ahnung, ich habe keine Idee. Ahnung means knowledge. I'm not aware. Sorry, I don't know. Somebody asks you, do you know this thing or something? Es tut mir leid, ich habe keine Ahnung. Or in short, keine Ahnung. I have no idea, sorry. Die Ahnung, so keine Ahnung. Then we have aktuell. Aktuell is current, like Umweltschutz ist ein aktuelles Thema. It's a current, hot topic, burning topic. You can say this when you give your presentation. Okay? Ich habe das Thema ausgewählt, weil das ein aktuelles Thema ist. Because this is a burning topic, this is a hot topic nowadays. Umweltschutz, environment protection. So aktuell means latest, current. Then allgemein. Allgemein means general. Allgemein, general. Das ist ein allgemein Problem. It's a general problem, ordinary problem. Allgemein. These are all adverb. Then we have anerkennen. It is also separable verb. Anerkennen means to recognize. Like you say in Germany, mein Zertifikat ist nicht anerkannt. It's not recognized. This is very important verb, anerkennen. I write the perfect form, anerkannt. Anerkannt. Like somebody asks you before applying for your master's or bachelor study, ensure that your degree should be anerkannt. Your documents, your certificate should be anerkannt. It should be recognized in Germany. You know, in German education, before applying, you must have a website where annaben.de, where you check out whether your degrees, your certificates are recognized in Germany or not. So that is the word anerkannt. The verb is anerkennen, perfect anerkannt. Then angeben, separable verb. Angeben means to enter. Bitte geben Sie Ihre persönliche Data an. Bitte geben Sie richtig an. Please enter correctly. Angeben, to enter, to mention, to write. Angeben. Then angenehm, it's an adjective. Angenehm means pleasant. Pleasant. Okay. Das Wetter ist angenehm. The weather is very pleasant. Das Wetter ist heute sehr angenehm, pleasant. Then Anschluss. Okay, der Anschluss. It means connection. Internet Anschluss. Ich habe Internetanschluss zu Hause. Haben Sie? Or Anschluss means also access. Haben Sie Anschluss zum Bahnhof? Do you have access to go to the railway station? Anschluss haben. Internet Anschluss, Wi-Fi Anschluss, okay, connection. And at the end, Antrag. Antrag. It's a noun, Antrag. So these are all words that we have learned today. These are all from B1 level vocabulary, B1 level German. I hope you like this session, you like this lesson. Hit the like button, share any information on our email if you have any query related to the B1 level or any other level or exam preparation. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.